hand, shoe, handschuh, handschuh. It's just your regular winter glove to keep your fingers warm instead of a leather shoe awkwardly strapped onto your hand. Kühlschrank, kühlschrank, kühlschrank. It's just your regular kitchen refrigerator to keep your food fresh instead of a wooden cupboard shivering out in a freezing snowstorm. Staubsauger, staubsauger, staubsauger. It's just your regular vacuum cleaner to clear dirt off your floors instead of a giant pair of lips aggressively sucking up dust. Zahnarzt, zahnarzt, zahnarzt. It's just your regular professional dentist who cleans your teeth instead of a giant molar walking around in a doctor's coat. Schildkröte, schildkröte, schildkröte. It's just your regular slow-moving turtle with a hard shell instead of a bumpy green toad running into combat with a metal shield. Flugzeug, flugzeug, flugzeug. It's just your regular commercial airplane taking passengers on vacation instead of some mysterious, unnamed object floating through the sky. Krankenwagen, Krankenwagen, Krankenwagen. It's just your regular emergency ambulance rushing to the hospital instead of a sick wooden wagon tucked into bed blowing its nose. Glühwürmchen, glühwürmchen, glühwürmchen. It's just your regular little firefly lighting up the summer night sky instead of a radioactive earthworm glowing in the dark. Drahtesel, drahtesel, drahtesel. It's just your regular, trusty old bicycle to ride around town instead of a stubborn farm animal built entirely out of metal wire. Wasserhahn, wasserhahn, wasserhahn. It's just your regular kitchen sink faucet to pour a glass of water instead of a proud farm rooster standing on the counter spitting liquid from its beak. Nacktschnecke, nacktschnecke, nacktschnecke. It's just your regular garden slug crawling across a leaf instead of a scandalized snail dynamically removing its shell. Blumenkohl, blumenkohl, blumenkohl. It's just a regular head of white cauliflower used for cooking instead of a green cabbage dressing up in flower petals.